What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to evaluate 102 to the power of 4 and 102 to the power of 5 using binomial expansion. So first of all, 102, I'm gonna write it as 100 plus 2 to the power of 4, which will be 4c0, 100 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 0, plus 4c1, 100 to the power of 3, then 2 to the power of 1, 4c2, 100 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 2, plus 4c3, 100 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 3, 4c4, 100 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 4. That's going to be the coefficients based on Pascal triangle 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So 2 to the power of 0 is 1 as well. So that's going to be 100 to the power of 4 plus 4 times 2, 8, 100 to the power of 3 plus 6 times 4, 24 times 100 to the power of 2 plus 4 times 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 4 times 8, 32, 100. That's 1 times 100 to the power of 0 is 1. So times 2 to the power of 4 is going to be 16. So 100 to the power of 4 will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, which will be 1 million. Next one is and you have 2 more zeros because 2 times 4 is going to be 8, plus this one 100 to the power of 3 is going to be million, so 8 million. And this one is 100 million, plus 100 to the power of 2 is 10,000. 10,000 times 24, 240,000. That's 3,200 plus 16. So that would be 108,243,216. So, which will be 108,243,216. Next one is 102 to the power of 5. So again, we have the same procedure here. You have 5c0, 100 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 0, plus 5c1, 100 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 1, plus 5c2, 100 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 2, 5c3, 100 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 5c4, 100 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 4, and finally 5c5, 100 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 5. So as you see here, the exponent of the first one is decreasing and the exponent of the second one is increasing. So the first one, this one is 1, this one is 1, so it's going to be 100 to the power of 5. So we're going to have 10 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is going to be 10 billion, plus this one is going to be 5 times 2, 100, 5 times 2, 10, and here we have 8, so we have 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so we have 1 billion. Then we have 10 times 4, 40 times million. So that's 40 million. Plus, here we have 10 as well. 10 times 8, 80. 10 to the power of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 800,000. Then we have 5 times 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. That's going to be 80 times 100, 8,000. And this one is 1 times 2 to the power of 5. It's going to be 32. So we need to add all these terms, which will be 1104080803. Or we can say 1.104080803 times 10 to the power of 10. That's gonna be the answer to this expansion question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding binomial expansion and other topics in math, calculus, chemistry, and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.